show again. This is the first video for the National Science Week series, and it is on equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Maybe a balance of things? Well, there are two types, either static or dynamic, but today we'll be looking at the dynamic type. Dynamic equilibrium is when the forward reaction rate is equal to a reverse reaction rate, causing no changes to the macroscopic properties, but constant changes in the microscopic scale. For this experiment, we'll be using paper cranes. For the experimental setup, you will need a reactant side, where all your paper cranes will be situated at the beginning, and a product side. For the experimental setup, we'll have a reactant side and also a product side, just like any chemical reactions. And we'll start off with 10 paper cranes. Each round, we'll be transferring 40% of the reactants to the products and 20% of the products to the reactants. So for the first round, we'll be transferring 4 of these paper cranes to the product side. Similarly, for the second round, we'll be transferring 40% of the reactants to the products and 20% of the products to the reactants. At this stage, you'll realize that as you transfer the reactants to the products and the products to the reactants, the number on each side is not going to change. This suggests that it has reached dynamic equilibrium. Now that it has reached dynamic equilibrium, we are going to disturb it by adding 5 more cranes on the reactant side. And let's repeat the process, 40% to products and 20% of products to reactants. Again, it has reached dynamic equilibrium because the numbers on the products and reactant sides are no longer changing as each round progresses. Did you notice that the equilibrium restored itself after it was disturbed by adding 5 more cranes on the reactant side? Well, that can be explained by Chatellier's principle. Chatellier's principle suggests that the equilibrium favors either the forward reaction or the reverse reaction in order to minimize the disturbance. This is why we were able to establish equilibrium once again. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Did you like today's experiment? Do you want to learn how to model more things for the HSC? Well, come join our HSC Skills Workshop next month. There will be an expression of interest form linked down in the description box.